Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'm going to do a demonstration about BitTaqwa app that just get modified. So this is how it looks like. We're gonna start from the dashboard where there is this illustration. It looks like it's saying a welcome word. Assalamualaikum, welcome to BitTaqwa. And then if you go down, there are still some inspirations that could inspire the users. Yes, so it's normal like the previous ones. There is a hadith, there's a little comic, some posts, and motivational ones, and about fiqh as well, and many more. So this is also the part that is interesting. That is the features. Over here the background color is purple, and then the icon is changing. So we're going to try to go to the dua. The header is changing, and then the, what do we call it, the logo is, the icon is also changing. So yeah, if we click, then it will go to the screen. The previous background was a sunset, and now it turned to like a sky with clouds, and there's a illustration of a Quran. And then there is also another one, for example in Ruma. When we click, it will show the same dua, so it's kinda interesting. And then the next layout is in the zakat. Over the zakat, there is this illustration of a man giving money to people that need, and the function is still the same. So maybe if you write uh, some some numbers, it will show the total of the money and then the zakat that you give. But if it doesn't, if the money didn't reach the nisab, then it will show like this: total harta not yet reached nisab, 85 gram of gold. There's also the schedule of prayers. There will be this progress bar that will spin, and it's supposed to show the, what do we call it, it will show this, it will change this, and the number will also change. So yeah, that's how it works. The loading is taking too long. And the last one is the lecture video. So previously it's just like an orange design. Now it's, the theme is purple. So we're going to try to watch this from Ustad Dr. Firanda and Dirja about the shape of shukur maybe. So when we click, it will goes to the screen that will show the video, and there will be the name, the speaker, the theme, and some summaries. This will show like the YouTube player, and then you can watch the YouTube video over here, but it's still loading. It is a really long loading. I'm going to try to change connection. Yeah, so this is does the how does the codes go. The class is still the same, so nothing interesting. The only difference is the layout, the layout code. So this is the item row dua. It will show this. Yeah, we're gonna check some of the item row one by one. We're gonna check the layout design one by one.
Yeah, there's people in the world. Yeah. Boy, I cannot log in, boy.
So
Again. Yeah.
there is the dua. Wait, there's no such thing as zikr. Just do this. Fatijadul sholat, video kajian, zakat, field doa activity, And there's detail video, kajian, and there's item row dua, item row inspiration, item row video kajian, and last one is list dua activity. Yes, so this is all the layout that we need. So there's no difference between this layout. So it will just show the item row dua, so it's just showing the toolbar. This is the design of the item row video kajian inside the kajian, and the only thing that is changing is the text view and then the button. In activity menu zakat, if you can see, there is this illustration like I told you before of a person giving the zakat to person that need, and the colors also changing. Before this is like purple, light purple, and this is red. Now it changed to purple, but the theme is like in the app. And then this have an illustration of a Quran background, and then the card view now is white, but overall the texts are still the same. In activity menu video kajian, it looks like this after we add some item row video kajian. And in activity menu jadwal salat, it looks like this. There's an illustration of someone praying, and then the time will change. We also add a progress bar with a location that is in Mecca, Saudi Arabia, and it will change to Jakarta if the progress bar is done. The same function like previously. And then this part have the illustration of have this illustration of have the illustration of the Al-Quran. The icon is also changing, and then the item row, item row inspiration. Yeah,
What is this?
nothing different. But in the item row dua, it looks like this. There's the icon that we put, and it will show like the text, what kind of dua that will it show, and this is the detailed video kajian. So the only thing that is changing over here is the title name. Oh, look. So yes, this is actually the YouTube one. We use some component from Grader like YouTube Player and the other ones. So this is the code. We also add a share button, but yeah, the color is white, so it doesn't show. And yeah, this loading take a long time. The main point, it will play a video. Okay, so I think that's all for the demonstration. Hopefully all of you could be interested in this app. Sorry if there are noises or some of the acts or I look like I'm not intended to do this.
What is this?
Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.